In the distant depths of the universe, there existed an ancient warrior race, the White Star clan. Because they refused to submit to the Dark Throne Empire, their planet was destroyed in cold blood. The people of White Star were enduring unimaginable suffering. In their final moments, a couple from White Star entrusted their child to the stars, sending him into space as the last hope of their kind. After a long journey through the vastness of space, he finally arrived at his new home, Earth. That child fell to Earth, losing his past, but stepping into a new destiny. And so, the last child of White Star found a new home and a new name, Luoyan. He could have lived a peaceful and happy life. But one day, the sudden intrusion of strangers shattered their tranquility.
Give me money.
I really have no money. Please, I'm begging you, let me go.
After that, Luoyan hid his true abilities, living like an ordinary person, working, getting married, and raising a child. He had hoped to spend the rest of his life in peace, but a far greater crisis was about to unfold.